In this video, we will show you how to install VirtualBox Edition on Ubuntu Guest. First, in here, using the normal mode like this, you can input the Guest Edition CD image. Click this. Okay. And we will make this in not full screen, but in scale mode like this. You can open the files, and in here you will see there is many files. In here you can try run these files, and to do that you can open in terminal like this, and you can type sudo and with the files VirtualBox Linux. Okay, and make sure the name is correct. VirtualBox Linux editions.run. Okay, and hit enter. Type your password. Okay, we are at the command sh. Okay, and we can restart our Ubuntu to see the effect. And you can eject this in here, remove this from virtual drive. Okay, now you can use a full screen mode after installing the Guest Edition. That's all tutorial how to install Guest Editions on Ubuntu on VirtualBox. Hope this video helpful for you.